Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2019 SX stream. This is question number 4 of part 2 from the topic vectors and 3D. Also, it requires knowledge of conic section. Question says let A equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap, B is equal to 2 I cap plus 2J plus K cap, and C is equal to 5 I cap plus J cap minus K cap be three vectors. The area of the region formed by the set of points whose position vectors R satisfy equations R dot A equal to 5 and mod of R minus B plus mod of R minus C is equal to 4 is closest to the integer A 4, B 9, C 14, D 19. Now let us see how to solve this question. First, if I take R to be a variable point denoted by xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, then as a vector is I plus j plus k, this relation R dot A equal to 5 will become x plus y plus z equal to 5, which is actually equation of a plane. Okay, now we are also given B and C, and they denote those points whose position vectors are 2i plus 2j plus 2k, and I can write them as 2 comma 2 comma 1 in Cartesian form, and for C I can write this as 5 comma 1 comma minus 1. Now we can easily notice that these points B and C, they both lie in this equation, they lie in this plane because they are satisfying this equation 1. Now as they both are lying in this plane, and this another relation here which says that sum of distance of R from B and C is equal to 4, that's constant, and that's a characteristic property of conic called as ellipse. Okay, now to understand that, let us make this kind of diagram. We know we have a plane x plus y plus z is equal to 5, and these position vectors B and C are lying in this plane, and we are given variable point R such that sum of its distance from B and from C is equal to 4. So this R should describe an ellipse in this plane, and we are looking for area of this locus only. They are asking the area of region or area of locus, you can say, in this plane. Now there are few standard properties that this 4 is nothing but actually length of major axis. I can write this as 2 times capital A, and this is equal to 4. And also we know B and C serves as foci, so distance between foci will be actually mod of B minus C. Okay, and this is actually 2AE. This is actually 2AE. In ellipse chapter we study all these things, and mod of B minus C will be actually under root of 5 minus 2 3 square 9, 2 minus 1, so 1 here, 1 minus minus 1 2, so I think it will be 4 here, so this becomes root 14. Okay, so we have got major axis 2A as 4 and 2AE as root 14. Now the B, that is semi minor axis, if we want to find that, we can use that relation that B square is equal to A square minus A square E square. So I can write this as 4 here minus this will be 14 upon 4. Okay, so this becomes 1 upon 2. So we have A to be equal to 2 and B to be equal to 1 upon root 2, and we know area of ellipse is given by pi AB, so that will be pi root 2. Okay, pi is 3.14 and root 2 is 1.414. Okay, so if we multiply them, we can see this value will be slightly more than 4, but I think it should be less than 5. So among these options given to us, it will be closest to the integer 4. So answer of this question should be A. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such solutions. Bye.